My name is Jan Smit. I'm the general partner, or one of the 4 general partners of Two Up Ventures, and I'm the Bitcoin Association ambassador for the Netherlands. I'm a bit of a techie guy because I also studied physics, which I enjoyed a lot, and then was a bit curious about business, so I ended up being a consultant for Bain & Company, and especially Bain & Company specializes in advising private equity funds. So that's kind of the first step in this direction that we are at now. I was very interested in crypto for a while already and blockchains, so I had the opportunity to join a fund that invests in crypto industry, and that's where I met my partner Alex. So we both worked there, we analyzed all kinds of blockchains, all kinds of cryptocurrencies, and we came to the conclusion there was only one at that time that had proper scaling solutions especially. And Two Up Ventures is a venture capital fund that invests exclusively in the Bitcoin SV space. So we are a traditional fund, we only try to invest in equity and support the teams, of course, also with advice and mental support. We think businesses should want to build on the blockchain, and businesses want things to be in compliance with local legislation, with regulators. You want to operate in the daylight, and I think that was clearly the philosophy from Bitcoin SV. We are a venture capital fund, a traditional fund at that, so we don't invest in crypto or anything. We just get commitments in traditional fiat currency, in euros, from traditional investors. And we invest that in equity of startups and scale-ups that we think are going to be crucial for the BSV ecosystem in the long term. So we started setting it up thinking about it in 2017. In fact, we started in the summer of 2018, and the fund had its first close in November last year, so November 2019. So we've now been investing the money that was involved in that close for 5 months. This is a super exciting time. There are great opportunities. I'm 100% certain that most of these companies will grow to have valuations which are far beyond what they have today. So to be able to buy at this level is really an opportunity in history, I would say. I think there is a fantastic opportunity, and it's just a matter of keeping to build things and showing the world, and at one stage something will pop up that gets everybody's attention, and then the focus will be full on. I think it's more up to us and the BSV community to start spreading the good news. So we are organizing events, and we're going to do an Asia roadshow in order to just go to people and investors and tell them about it and try and convert them that way. That's something that is very easy and very nice to say to companies. Say this is a blockchain which has a protocol which is set in stone. There will be 1 or 2 small changes in order to get really back to the original version, but it's set in stone, and that gives you the certainty that if you invest in technology to build on it, that it will continue to work. And it will scale, and that's just because of bigger blocks. So I mean that's the ultimate combination. So this is very powerful. That really helps us to get investors and companies on board.